Hello and welcome back to the Abundant Living University. I'm your host, Glenn Ullman. Today's topic is living. 2 weeks ago, I had the distinct honor of being with family members who lost loved ones on Flight 93 on 9/11. And I was struck by not only the dignity of the families and the politicians who were there, but most of all, the people who came from all over the country just to be there for the dedication of this new national monument. The only reason they were there is to pay respects to the families, and as the families were walking out of the dedication ceremony, spontaneously this crowd of several thousand made a pathway for the families to walk through, and as they did, they burst into applause, and people said, God bless you, and we're thinking of you, and thank you for your loved ones. It was really a beautiful thing. And it reminded me about just how lucky human beings are to have consciousness. Despite the pain that we must share in our lives, this ability to see things in context and to see the beauty all around us is truly amazing. This morning I went out for a walk about 6:30. To the west, the stars were just incredibly bright with light that was produced hundreds of millions of years ago, just now approaching the earth. And to the east, over the ocean, a thunderstorm with lightning, and then the colors coming up in the sunrise. It really just was amazing. And of course, with modern technology, I also had my iPod on, so I was listening to some great music at the same time. And lastly, I'm attaching a link that David Simon has produced. David Simon is Deepak Chopra's business partner. They created the Chopra Center for lifetime wellness many, many years ago. And David, a neurosurgeon, was driving down the I-5 in California and, as you'll see in the video, sideswiped a car. Just never saw it and realized right away that it wasn't that he was inattentive. It was truly that he didn't see the car. And having given himself a quick neurological exam, realized that he had a problem, and there were only two possibilities, and both of them were really bad. And his prognosis is very difficult, but this video with his son Max, who films it, is really a testament just to the human spirit and how every day is not about the politics and the gotcha. It's really about this connection that we have as human beings. And I hope all three examples are just a great way to refocus our energies in the moment and be so thankful that we as human beings are conscious. Always am interested in your thoughts and comments, and we'll speak with you again soon.